In the last hour, the National Weather Service also confirms it was an EF0 tornado that spun for at least a mile. That damaged homes across North Fort Worth. Jason Allen reporting live tonight. Many people in the damage path today were asking the question, why no warning sirens before? Jason?
Yeah, and Doug, there is an outdoor warning siren. It's just about 4 blocks from where the roofs were ripped off of these houses. But that siren, it didn't go off yesterday. In fact, none of the sirens in the area did. The first sign some people had the storm was serious was when the homes started to come apart. The Sunday storm that spun through North Fort Worth was strong enough to punch holes through homes. It stripped trees bare and bent over metal poles. But residents here told us the first warning they noticed was when the wind started to blow.
Never heard of a tornado siren at all. Go figure. We hear them all the time, but this time it didn't, nothing happened. You know, no sound, no nothing.
Yes, that was pretty much it. And then you still didn't know how serious it was until you came outside and saw the fences down.
I don't know if you can see it, but right there.
Video shot in the neighborhood as the storm hit showed clouds rotating, but Monday, Fort Worth's Emergency Management Office told us it never had enough information to sound the sirens. While there was a severe thunderstorm warning issued for the area, there was no tornado warning from the National Weather Service. There were no confirmed reports of rotation from weather spotters who were out, and recorded winds hadn't reached the threshold of 70 miles per hour needed to sound sirens. The city, we found, did have one report of rotation from a spotter west of the eventual tornado, but officials told me they opted to wait for additional reports from more experienced spotters before sounding the alarm. They did push out the thunderstorm warning on an automated system and on social media before the storm hit. The Emergency Management Office told me it was also monitoring some of the channels that are used regularly by weather spotters during this storm, but there really was no chatter at all about any rotation that was in this storm. This one, the National Weather Service told me, just kind of spun up fast within the storm. It didn't look like most of the storms that we're used to when they produce tornadoes that do this kind of damage. We're live tonight in Fort Worth. Jason Allen, CBS 11 News.